Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a quick get ready with me. I'm gonna blow dry my hair, straighten it, show you guys how I manage my super thick and curly and crazy hair, just in case you guys don't want to go to the salon and you're like, oh, I don't know how to separate my hair or straighten it or whatever. So make sure you guys pay attention. So I'm just splitting my hair into more sections because it's just easier when I blow it out. Just doing basic ass twists, nothing crazy. And I only put detangler in my hair because I don't want any grease buildup, and my hair gets really oily, so I don't want to add additional oil to like my natural oil. So there's nothing in my hair right now except for this dollar store detangler and it's not even mine, it's my daughter's, but it works good. Dollar Tree, I see y'all. As you can see, the twist looks really small when it's like wet when you first do it, but then when it like loosens up a little bit, it gets puffier. So that's the actual state of my hair. My hair is like really puffy, so gotta get ready to detangle it. Now I'm just taking a comb, and these parts do not have to be perfect at all because don't have to be perfect because no one's gonna see them. We're only separating the hair like this, so when we blow dry, just blow dry in sections pretty much. That's exactly what that is. And this part of my hair is damaged. When I used to, well, I still wear weave sometimes, but like when I wear weave, I tend to over straighten the leave out, and this part of my hair is usually the leave out section. So this part is damaged and it's not as curly as the rest of my hair. Like if you look at this hair and then you look at this, like you could just tell that that part is damaged. But it's gotten better. I just kind of have to wait for it to grow out, I guess. I'm not gonna do like no dramatic chop or nothing, but just waiting. Got these two now, just have the back left. I'm gonna run through this really quickly because I have a lot of stuff to do today. This one is popping out, but I don't even care. Like, I'm not about to go in. Because the point of this is just so it could dry fast. Versus being like wet hair sitting on top of wet hair. But I just want this to dry fast. Alright, for the most part, with the exception of this guy over here, My hair is twisted out, as you can see. If I wanted to do like a natural look, I could have put like a lot of conditioner and maybe some curl cream in my hair, and it would have came out really like curly and wavy when I took it out. But I'm gonna just blow dry it, so nothing crazy, nothing crazy at all. Take this off while I am waiting for my hair. So this is a cucumber squeeze mask that I got, and it's like, I used a strawberry one, and what other? There's a strawberry, oh, an aloe vera one, and this is the cucumber one. It works so good. And I also recommend washing your face prior to doing this. I wouldn't just put a mask on without washing my face. But so this is the mask. I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. See you guys when I do that. Hey guys, so my hair finally dried. It's been like 4 hours. This is what the twist looked like. So now it's gonna be super quick and easy for me to blow dry my hair and then finally straighten it. So take a look.
The squabble got this Mac here. The poet, no one in the club, I'm throwing raps here. Try to pay me on some work, then you gon' die here. For that Libby and little hoe, bring that ass here. My pockets, they don't jump.
Guys, look at the difference between my hair straight and it curly. Shrinkage is real, y'all, okay? Like, every time I curl my hair or like wet it, people are like, oh, did you cut your hair? No, girl. Like, my hair is long. It just looks really short when it's curly. out right now. It's taking a little while because I want to make it super straight. So this way, when I get the flat iron, I don't have to put as much pressure to it directly, and it happens really quickly versus me having to straighten it when it's curly, I guess. But keep watching. This is my hair all blown out. That took like 10 minutes, not even. It was like really quick because my hair was already dry. So, and it's better for your hair when you blow dry it when it's dry and not when it's wet. I heard that somewhere. I don't know if it's true. I feel like it is true, but who knows? As you can see, it's not as long as it's gonna be because I still haven't straightened it. I just blew it out. So like the roots still aren't as flat as I want them to be. You guys can see they're not as flat, so I want to style it, part it, and flat iron it, and I'm probably gonna do pin curls too, so make sure you stay tuned. Now I'm just spraying some heat protectant spray. It's like by OGX, I think. I don't remember the exact name, but it's just something to protect my hair from the heat because as you can see, I do have heat damage, like I said before, from wearing wigs and stuff. But here is my hair flat ironed, like crazy. Look at it. Like, look at my roots, sis, okay? Flat tinned. Okay. Okay guys, so this is my hair blown out, straightened. This is how it looks. Super full. And just so you guys can see what I was talking about, obviously like when you blow dry and stuff. After you blow dry, you see the roots. My roots are really flat. I even did a little bit under my edges, but sometimes I do my edges a little bit to just make sure it matches my hair and it's not like wild. And I put I usually put edge control. Now I'm just pin curling my hair. I guess the easiest way to explain pin curls is like a man-made curl without heat. I mean, I use a straightener to give it a little bit of heat, but you don't need a curling iron. You literally just roll it up with your finger and then you secure it with a bobby pin. It's as simple as that. I would definitely say if your hair is more thicker, put it in smaller pin curls. And if your hair is more thinner, you can obviously fit more hair in a pin curl. But the more pin curls, the more defined. Since I don't want my curls to be that defined, I just want like a loose wave sort of. I'm gonna do it like that, and I'm gonna do as minimal of pin curls as possible. Hey guys, it's early in the morning. I have to go to work soon, but I also have an event tonight, so I already did my makeup, did a full face, and I'm just taking down my pin curls to see how the curls came. I didn't sleep with a satin bonnet like I should have. I do recommend that, so the oil from your hair doesn't get oily or dry or anything. And the curls did get a little bit messed up when I was sleeping on them. So just a tip, use a satin bonnet, prevent yourself the headache. And I'm putting some edge control on my edges, child, because I can't be out here looking cray, okay? And then I'm going to put some lip liner on so my lips can look real luscious or whatever. And I think it's NYX Cosmetics lip liner. I'm not really sure. But then I'm going to go over it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte nude lipstick. And I don't really like matte lipsticks, but I love her lipstick, so I kind of make an exception for her. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Would you rock it? Do you like the pin curl method? Do you use a curl iron? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.